So where is Ethereum heading? Today is the 14th of June 2022. Yesterday we saw another big selling day. I thought this 1400 would hold because that was the previous all-time high on Ethereum. Now it's already broken below. We may see it creep back above and that try to come back up to this area, but ultimately I think we are going to see this break. And when this break, you can see that actually not much over a level really to the first one we may see is this 700 area. If we drop below, then we'll come down to here around this area. Let me get you the price. So yeah, 300 something, about 400 area. But ultimately, I will be definitely starting to accumulate some around the 700 area. Okay, if it drop lower, then I will buy my remaining bits around this area. So quite comfortable to accumulate some around the $500 area and happy to let it run to wherever. I think my destination, the next destination is the $10,000 area, but when would it get there? It would take some time, but I'm going to be patient when that happens. So if you become a member, you get to see when I place my trade, ask me question and interact with me. If you like to join, it's very simple. Like my video here and follow my YouTube channel, then I will personally add you to my community. Thank you so much.